When your Hunter fan remote light stops working, the most common cause is battery-related issues. Let's walk through the key troubleshooting steps to get your remote working again. First, check your batteries. Hunter fan remotes typically use CR2032 coin cell batteries. Remove the battery cover and inspect if the batteries are dead, corroded, or missing entirely. When installing new batteries, make sure the positive side faces up. This is crucial. Incorrect installation is a common cause of remote failure. The positive side should have a plus symbol clearly visible. If you see white or blue-green buildup in the battery compartment, that's corrosion. Clean it using a cotton swab dipped in white vinegar, then follow up with isopropyl alcohol to remove any residue. Let it dry completely before installing new batteries. Make sure you're within 10 to 20 feet of the fan when using the remote. Remove any obstructions between the remote and fan, as walls, furniture, and other objects can interfere with the signal. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing batteries, try resyncing it. Turn on the wall switch. Then press and hold the fan off and high buttons simultaneously for at least 4 seconds. The fan should turn on at low speed to confirm successful pairing. These battery and remote troubleshooting steps resolve most Hunter fan remote issues. If your remote still doesn't work after trying these solutions, the problem may be with the receiver or dip switch settings, which we'll cover in the next section. Before accessing the receiver, safety is paramount. Turn off the circuit breaker to the fan to ensure no electrical current is flowing. Next, detach the fan canopy to access the receiver. The receiver is a small black box located inside the canopy that controls the fan's remote functions. Here's what the receiver looks like inside the canopy. Check that all wire connections are secure and properly connected with wire nuts. Ceiling fans use dip switches to set communication frequencies. Both the receiver and remote have matching dip switches that must be set to the same pattern. Remove the batteries from your remote control to access the dip switches. You'll see a small blue switch block with multiple positions. Use a small screwdriver or pen to adjust the dip switch settings on the receiver first. Record the new pattern, then match the remote switches to the same configuration. The key is ensuring both the receiver and remote have identical dip switch patterns. This creates a unique frequency channel for communication. After matching the dip switches, replace the remote batteries and test the fan. If the light still doesn't work, the receiver may need replacement with a matching part number.